Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing well. So in today's video, I will be going over all of the recent positive changes that Trade Day has made since my last upload about them. This presentation is good as of September 2025, so should any new information come out after the recording, please do your own research to understand what you are getting yourself into before you purchase. Before we get into the topics, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and at the very end of this video, I am doing a fun little giveaway. The main topics of discussion is going to be the time frame to pass challenges, the time frame to receive your payouts, the new reset pricing, and then finally the automatic milestones process. There is a little rumor going around that the Rhythmic platform will be available with Trade Day before 2025 ends, crossing and hoping that this does happen because I know a lot of people are waiting for this. But as soon as I do have that concrete information, I am very happy to share with you guys on the YouTube channel. So first and foremost, the time frame to pass your eval has now been reduced. It used to be 7 required trading days and now it is only 5. This does put Trade Day in this category in the competitive edge within the industry because there's only one other firm that offers daily payouts with the same time frame to pass. So now it's neck and neck in this particular category of making them competitive, and it makes it really, really exciting to see. I've started to see actually more traders get interested in trading with Trade Day because of this huge development, and I'm hoping that more people will take advantage of the program and the resources Trade Day has to offer because it's been a solid experience for me so far. And as you know, I've been trading with them for quite some time. So all in all, it was nice to finally see Trade Day take this feedback that people have been requesting for and it made the change. And who knows what else is to come with updating their program. The second thing is just talking about the Speedy process for getting paid out. Throughout 2025, I've been trading with them and I've been very fortunate and very blessed to be able to take payouts with them. These are just a few that I took within the month of July 2025. And you'll see that here they paid me out very quickly. Less than 2 hours is about like an hour and 20 minutes, or my math is not right. I'm sorry. This is about 2.5 hours. I had a payout come in within 34 minutes, and then I had another one come in. I think this was paid within like an hour. Someone else also had a speedy process of getting paid out within 40 minutes, less than 40 minutes, and then another person paid it within less than 24 hours. So although they have it very clearly stated on their Help Center page, it takes up to the 24 business hours. And obviously, if you have to sign any paperwork and do that stuff, that is outside of Trade Day's control, of course, because they include a third party at that point. But I digress. Their main thing is 24 business hours, and they have been exceeding that by getting paid out within either a few minutes or just a few hours, and people have been loving it, including myself. So it's been way, way, way faster than before, and who knows in the future, again, with their new changes they've been making and implementing with their software, maybe we can get to a point where it becomes milliseconds or just a few minutes instead of 24 business hours. Who knows? The third new update is the reset costs. Now, this is very transparent and clear about what happened to the numbers. The 50K reset, whether it's the intraday, end of day, or static, it will still be the same reset pricing. That is not changing at all. I am a fan of the 50K end of day accounts. That's the only one I primarily use. The only other time I've switched to a different account is the 100K end of day account, but those are the main two that I would honestly personally ever recommend with Trade Day, because end of day is a killer, and especially with the daily payouts, you just can't go wrong. But if you look at the 100K reset cost, there was a 20% increase. So originally it was $99 and now it is $119. The 150K increased by 40%, where it was $99 and now it is $139. And although we are seeing these percentage increases for resets, I will say if you do compare it with other firms, again, it's just trying to be a bit competitive, trying to offset some of the balances and changes they've made, and meeting a bit more of like what the industry standard is. At the end of the day, if you do look at the math, buying an account with a current sale versus resetting your account, there's still a huge difference with the 100 and 150K. It's still cheaper to reset. So, if you are thinking about buying a new account versus resetting on the same day that you just bought an account, it's just cheaper to reset it. So do with that with what you will. Obviously not financial advice. Always look at your budget and know what's financially right for you and best in your trading journey. But I just wanted to be very honest about how there was an increase with the reset costs and that there is reasons behind it. It's not just because they wanted to. And the final update is going to be the automatic milestones process. So, all in all, the main thing about this is that it's just less work for the trader. Instead of us having to manually type out an email, reach out to the trade day team, wait for a response about your review of your account, if you're going to be in the funded live or sim funded, it removes that manual step. It removes the step of us traders having to take the time of our day to reach out and have this conversation. So, essentially, with the automation, it means no more emailing the trading team when you hit a milestone. Here's how it works. Every time you reach a 5K gross profit target or a milestone in a funded account, your account will automatically be paused at 4:30. So please note that even if you hit the 5K gross profit target before the 4:30 p.m. CT timeframe, the account is not going to be paused. You'll still be able to trade it, but it's exactly at 4:30 p.m. CT, the end of day report run and dashboard run. That is when the system will automatically pause it. That's when you won't be able to trade it anymore. And during that time when it's paused is when the team is going to look at your trade history, look at your trading overall, and see if they like what they see to move you into a funded live account or to say, hey, you know what, we want a little bit more time to review. Let's put you back into sim funded. With this new adjustment as well, any profits above the milestone will be removed and your balance will be set back to the milestone level, all automatically when they do the review themselves. So with this new change in process, the trading team is going to review the account overnight from the time it's paused and then throughout the night. And then by the next cash market open, that's when you'll have the update if whether you're going to be moving into a funded live or staying in the funded sim account. So if you aren't familiar with the milestones, keeping it simple, every 5,000 gross total profits that you make in your funded account, individual funded accounts, you will have this whole pause and review, and this goes all the way up to 20K. So you do 5, 10, 15, 20K total gross profits per account. It's not in total, so if you have 3 accounts, it's not 20,000 for all 3 combined. It's literally 20,000 for one account, 20,000 for another account, 20,000 for the other account. So 60,000 in total. I hope that clears up any confusion because I started to see some questions about it in the Trade Day Discord, and I wanted to make it as clear as possible how the milestone process works, as well as what the milestone is about and what you can expect. Essentially, when you hit these milestones, obviously making that much profit in a funded account, even if it's just one, and obviously if you get up to 3 accounts and making that much money, that's a huge win. That's huge progress in your journey. And as a firm, from what I'm seeing of what they have written in Discord and what they've shared, is they want to be able to, move up these people that are showing and demonstrating that these people have what it takes to make X amount of profits. Obviously, if their trading history and everything aligns well with what they're looking for. The final disclaimer is that the milestones do not impact the payout policy. The trader can request a withdrawal through the dashboard at any time. Obviously, once you've cleared the buffer, see the Help Center page for more information on the withdrawals and buffers. So yes, if you reach the 5,000 gross profit target in your funded account and you are paused at 4:30, as soon as your dashboard is updated, you can still request money from that 5,000 that you've made. If you made it all in one lump sum, obviously you have some money that you can withdraw. And if you do withdraw within the buffer of your account, then that does affect how much of a profit split you get. But that's why it says to check out the Help Center page, because there's a much more clearer breakdown of what that looks like. I'll include in the description below the link to the Help Center page so you guys can take a look in your free time. But that's everything I wanted to cover for the updates about Trade Day. Recently, it's been such a huge blast of positive changes, and I'm just excited for what's to come and continue to come from Trade Day and the evolution. Right now, they are running a 30% off sale with no activation fee for all of their accounts, but if you don't want to spend any money and you want to have a chance to win something for free, I am doing a giveaway with both Trade Day and Tradeify. With Trade Day, I'm giving away a 50K end of day account. Again, my favorite account is the end of day option. And then also Tradeify, the 50K growth account, which also is a end of day account, one of my favorite options from that firm too. So really great things going on with both of the firms, and so I'm excited to do this giveaway, and hopefully the winners are able to take this to the next level and get to a payout. So the link in the description is going to be for the giveaway form. You should be able to be done with that giveaway within a few minutes to enter. It's very, very easy. But that's it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for all of your time and support. As always, I wish you guys nothing but the best and the most success in all that you do, and I will see you all in the next video.